All right, guys, January the 3rd, Friday. We just got to our second job. So we just left Kennesaw, first job of 2025. Just got to our second job. This is a new build out here in Loganville, Georgia, not far from where I live and also from the shop. So anyway, this is a new client. They had a lot of construction going on in the house doing the build. Now they want to get the floors back to their original state. So what we're going to do is clean and buff these floors out. We might put a top sealer on top, depending on how the floors look. So anyway, let me show you what we're doing today. And remember, guys, this year I'm going to focus on keeping my videos very short. Try to keep them under 5 minutes, because I know a lot of people not watching these whole 10 to 15 minute videos. So let me show you what we're doing. All right, so it's a beautiful day out here in Loganville, Georgia. It's a beautiful home. Hold on, guys, I think my lens is a little dirty. You're welcome. All right, guys, there was someone that just called, but he was looking to have new floors installed. So I do have network partners, so I referred him to my buddy Reginald, Floor Makeovers, because Reginald installs and sands floors. So anyway, guys, show you what we're doing. So these are luxury vinyl plank floors, the wide boards. So we got this room right here, pretty nice layout all through here. So you kind of see the lines. The client said they did try to clean them, and they just noticed that it kind of made the floors look worse. This area right here, there's the front door leading in. This beautiful kitchen area. Tavares is making up the chemistry. All right. There's our PEX 500. Shout out to Hydromaster again. Actually, they're going to send me another one. And this area right here just came from over there. And then three bedrooms. This bedroom right here, this bedroom right here, and this bedroom right here. This is close to 2,000 square feet. I told the client, since it was so much square footage, I usually charge $1.50 cleaning and top coat seal. But since it was so much square foot, told them I'd do it for $1 a square foot, so about $2,000. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Guys, we're almost done. Let me show you the floors. Now look over here. If you look really close, the floors, they do have some type of residue on them. But if you look right here, look at that. So we're basically restoring these floors, clean, buff, and polish. Look at the difference. All right, look over here. See how the sheen kind of went down? Because we haven't done over here yet. See all over here, you can see footprints. So whatever they've been cleaning this floor with has definitely left a lot of residue. All right, see like right here how it looks really dulled down. Look over there, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful, that's beautiful. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Man, these floors have been restored back to their original state. The homeowner actually told me that they had a cleaning people in this house, and you can actually see the texture of the floors now. This luxury vinyl plank floor actually has a nice texture to it, to the soft grain. So that's why all this residue was on the floor. Improper cleaning by the cleaning company, but you can see now the floors look absolutely amazing. Beautiful floor. I love the color of it as well. My floors are almost like this color, but it doesn't have that texture. All right, guys. Well, we're going to go ahead and wrap up. I've confirmed our appointment for tomorrow, which is a nice size screen and recoating in South Fulton, Atlanta. And they also have a paid consultation tomorrow in Alpharetta. A new client reached out today, found me on Google. All right, and then we also got the bonus room upstairs as well. It's a small bonus room upstairs. We also got that as well. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. It is getting dark, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.